Hey Knights, my name is Stephanie, one of UCF's social media ambassadors, and today I'm going to share with y'all some tips for taking grad photos during COVID-19. Whether you're visiting campus or staying at home, let's get started. First, while you're shooting for your grad pictures, be sure to stay physically distant between yourself and anyone else that may be near you. In between locations, be sure that you're using your hand sanitizer so that way we're making sure that all of our Knights are staying as healthy and safe as we can according to the CDC guidelines. And with that hand sanitizer, a cool trick that you can use to take some cool pictures is using some plastic wrap that's in your kitchen, putting some hand sanitizer on it, and then watch the magic come to life on your lens. Since COVID-19 struck this year and left a really big impact on all of us, I decided to creatively decorate my UCF free face mask and incorporate it into my photo shoot. When I first transferred over to UCF from Valencia, I started here taking classes at the Nicholson School of Communication and Media. So I wanted to make sure that today for my grad session, I included it in the photos, although I did take some classes at the UCF downtown campus. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. I had so much fun being able to share some tips for taking photos during COVID-19 and being able to take you along with me for the journey for the photo shoot. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with my post-grad journey. Be sure to like, comment, share with a fellow Knight, and subscribe. Go Knights, charge on, and armor up.